Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to color roots and the length and the point. So the roots retouch, as you see here, first I spread the hair with oil, so it makes it easy to comb the hair through. As you see here, you need an untangled hair, so it's easier to take your sections. I'm gonna start in the front, as you see here. Push the hair backward and try to get first to the roots. Gonna go all over from ear to ear, and then gonna go close up so you can see it better. So I'm doing the front line as you see here, and then we're gonna split the hair. I'm gonna go, as you see here, from the front, like split it in the middle line and go all the way down from ear to ear, and from the front all the way to the back, as you see here, to make sure I can section the parting, and then it's easy to get near the roots as much as possible. We need to get all the roots done. So just to work cleaner, you need to do your sections, as you see here. So I'm gonna go all the way to the next section, as you see here. And then I'm gonna go from the middle all the way to the ear, so I don't miss the line. I'm gonna have like perfect line both sides. I do this, well, I like the way I do it here. So then I see where I went, where I've colored. So I always start in the front. So you see here now, I'm doing the lines. It's like a plus from there and there, as you see here. And then I'm gonna start on one side. So you make sure you did the plus line. So from ear to ear, and then from the front all the way to the neck. And then now we're gonna start. So you're gonna take sections as thin as possible is better, especially when someone have like a lot of hair, thick hair. So you make sure you don't miss any roots out there, especially when someone have really dark hair or gray hair, so you don't see the difference. So you make sure you blend all that. And we're gonna repeat all the way to the ear. Perfect. It's really easy, as you see here. Just take section, as you see the way I'm parting in the hair. And then first, all the way, all the construction was on the roots. And repeat. You're gonna repeat the same on the other side. And there you stop where the ear is, and then you do the hairline behind the ear and to the neck. Then you're gonna go to the other side. Repeat all the step we just did on this side. So you're gonna go to the left and you do just the same we did here on the right side. So you repeat the same we did on the sides, as you see here, then all the way the line behind the ear. And then we're gonna go to the back. As you remember, we did before the line, and then we're gonna just follow that. And here I like to do, as you see here, I take it all the way from ear to ear, all the way around. I call it the rainbow line, so like a rainbow, all the way from the ear to ear. Or you can do just one section, what's easy for you. But usually I like to do it all the way from ear to ear, so I make sure the hair get colored the same time. So see it here, very good. So you go all the way to the other side, just like I'm doing here, and you repeat all the way to the end. So as you see here, you can also take the line diagonal, just like I'm doing here in the end, because everyone is different, the hairline in the back near the neck. So make sure you just put the color on the roots. So sometimes you need to take them diagonal. So it depends how the hairline is, just like here I'm doing. So most important, you have the color on the roots, and then you make sure you do the hairline and the back all the way to the front. Just check everything. It's perfect. And like I say, sometimes I comb the hair just to make sure the little hairs are in there too. So you see that Make sure there's no baby hairs, thin hair, short hair all the way in the front. Just make sure you cover them, so to have the perfect color everywhere covered. Perfect. So now I'm gonna get the hair repaired and we're gonna do the length and the point. So I have to mention the color we put on the roots is always different than the length and the point, because usually most people have like gray hair, and it's usually the length and the point are more treated from before. So this is a different mix. It's a bit softer than the roots, so you don't need to mix anything to cover the gray hair because there's already color. So as you see here, and you start from the back and go all the way to the top, just like I'm doing here. It's much easier and you have more control for the hair. As you see, make sure you take every section and detangle it before you put the color on the length and the point. And again, you're gonna repeat the same, and you just go to the top and just like that. Put it in, massage it in, and make sure you have it been everywhere. As you see here, make sure it's detangled, and yes, repeat again the same. And as you see, I'm not touching the roots, so I'm really taking from where we ended with the color in the roots from there all the way to the length point. Repeat the same on the other side, and you're almost done. Perfect. So yeah, you almost finished. As you see here, I'm just making sure though you have it perfect. And that's it. I hope you like it. And I'll say practice make perfection. Thank you for watching. Bye.